This is a DJ Benz world premiere.
Caught a new case of shit, made me look basic. Police want names, cause I done made it. Don't fuck with my niggas, they left a nigga hang. Free Zoo and free Diddy, her body the same shit.
Hello, thank you, come again.
It's your boy Lil Durk, man. King of the Chicago, man.
This Chicago, nigga.
Slap it up. Gang.
DJ Benz.
This is not a diss.
Oh, man.
Caught a new case of shit, made me look basic. Police want names, cause I done made it. Don't fuck with my niggas, they left a nigga hang. Free Zoo and free Diddy, her body the same shit. Don't be for Mubu, this rap shit is foo-foo. Catch me on normal, with two in here loose screw. These niggas is snitch, we callin' them blues clues. If they tellin' the police, giving them loose clues. I fuck with the Migos, but I am not capo. Sippin' on purple, I'm feeling like Hoppo. These niggas want war, not me, that is taco. For that beef for 14, we shoot it like porno. Shots out of Chirac, born to the city. Now I'm in LA, East Shore with Diddy. My daddy got booked with some books and a couple of million. The next deal I sign is gon' be for a couple of million. I don't rock Gucci, I just like Louis V. That swipe shit is cool, but you and I Gucci me. How you gon' wife her? She just gon' do the team. You stick to the smokes and the molly, I'ma do the lean. Shout out to B.O.N., I'm talking about bumping them. You did so Chirac, you was not coming here. You so GDK, now you a thug again. You so BDK, now you a thug again. With these Birdman, I feel rich, homie, like thuggin' them. How you feel today? And thinking we plugging him. And I lost a couple niggas that I can't hug again. But I seen a couple niggas I cannot mug again. Shout out to Dub Jam, no ID no. Homicide on the scene, no ID him. Sippin' on lean, my IV get. They look at IG, they wanna be him. I call him D-Thing, he dress a nigga up. Call her Randy Boy, pulling in my car. I call her Ike Mikey, he shoot his shit up. They talking about that, he picking shit up. Fuck all I eat shit, I'm with this beef shit. I use a lot of auto-tune, but I'm with this street shit. I'm big like Chop, but I'm on my keep shit. Take a nigga down, but we will not keep shit. Shout out to 4-6, shout out to Dog Pound, shout out to 300, they will not make a sound. Nigga be tweaking, I know they gon' hate us now. If Kobe Lee think, they ain't no Lakers now. Take me out of Chirac, like Jordan off the bull. How you the king of Chirac, you ain't got no pull. And these niggas throwing L's like these niggas loyal. These niggas say they got you back, but they ain't for you.